Question 15, we have a right angled triangle. And as soon as you see one of these, especially at number 15 onwards, you've got to think, right, is this Pythagoras or is this trigonometry? Now, the 90 degrees will always be there on both, but there's no mention of an angle here. So at my first glance, this is a Pythagoras problem. But if I'm asked to find one of these angles, then it is trigonometry. So let's take a look. We have to calculate the distance AC. So that is this. So this is just three sides, no angles involved. I know it's Pythagoras' theorem. Now, the theorem tells us that this side, the smaller one, squared, added to this one, the next one up, basically, squared, is always equal to the biggest one squared. And we know this is the biggest because it's opposite the right angle, it's the hypotenuse. So, I can write that c squared is a squared plus b squared. The big square from the biggest side is the smallest square from the smallest side added together to the in the middle side squared. Just pop the numbers in there. So we've got 4.5 squared plus 6 squared. I'm just going to work that out quickly. So 4.5. Remember the squared button on your calculator. So c squared is 56.25. That obviously isn't the answer, because you can't have 4.5 and 6 and suddenly 56. You must square root, the inverse of squaring. So square root my answer, just use your answer button, and that will give you 7.5.